You're probably wondering why I'm standing in my shower with a bathing suit on. I have been wanting to do this video for a long time, but y'all didn't want to see me in the shower. So I finally decided that I would put on my bathing suit, get in the shower, and talk to you about our hair care. Our hair care is absolutely incredible. We have 3 different formulas. We have dry scalp hair plenish. We have hair balance, which is for oily hair and scalp. And then we have hair covery, which is what I use because it helps to thicken hair and just helps with all that. So I want to show you how to use it. So I'm going ahead and wet my hair. You're going to take the first time I take about this much, so about a quarter size amount of shampoo. And it's a little bit different. Like the shampoo, you want to focus just on your scalp. It's not going to lather the first time you do it. And you're going to just rub it into your scalp. And you're going to let it sit there. So typically what I'll do is I'll rub it into my scalp and then I'll do my skincare. All right, so you rub it into your scalp and let it sit. Sit, 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 sit. It really feels like there's basically nothing on your scalp right now, but it's definitely doing its job. So you rub it in, you let it sit. Then you rinse it. And you want to make sure it rinses really good. Now, I'm doing this faster than I normally do because I'm videoing this. So then you want to take about a dime size and rub it in between my fingers. And then I do the same thing again. This time, you're going to notice it sudsing up a little more. You still want to focus on your scalp because shampoo is meant for your scalp, to clean your scalp. Okay, then once I've got that cleaned, then I kind of run it through my hair. And then I'll just kind of let it sit there and I'll wash the rest of my body or whatever else. Then take it off. Okay. And like I said, you're going to want to let it sit in between rinses. Then use the conditioner and you're going to put that just on the shafts of your hair. You don't want the conditioner on the top of your head. You want it just on your hair, on the ends of your hair. So like I just kind of run it through. And I let it sit, usually 2 or 3 minutes, and then rinse. And that's all there is to it. You do want those steps to take a little bit longer, but check out these results. Okay, now that I'm out of the shower, then I use the serum. So depending on which formula you use, the serums do different things. I use the hair covery serum and it helps to thicken and hydrate. And I just use 2 pumps and then I rub it between my fingers. And then once again, this is going on your scalp. You don't put this in your hair. It goes right on your scalp. Get a little bit more to do the back. So I actually end up using about 4 pumps total for my whole head. And that's it for that. The serum can be used on days you don't wash your hair also. So I typically use this every morning before I do my hair or whatever I'm gonna do. The hair balance serum will actually help with keeping the oil down, balanced in your hair. So a lot of ladies use that kind of like a dry shampoo. So you can use that one. If you have a question about which formula you need, just ask us. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. I've done my shampooing and conditioner. I have done my serum, and now I have dried my hair, but I want to show you one more product that goes with our hair, and it is our hair covery thickening and holding spray. But you see how, like, my hair looks okay. I mean, it looks good, but watch this. It's not thick. It's not sticky, like my hands aren't sticky. Look at the volume that I just got from that. How awesome is that? Thanks for watching.